And the school bus driver arrested in a road rage incident may have also been high on a very powerful painkiller.
Good afternoon. The Bernalillo County Sheriff's Department says deputies found prescription pills in the APS driver's school bus, and the driver was disoriented. News 13's Lizzie Mitre is live in the Newsplex with the story.
Kim, deputies say Linda Barreto did not have a prescription for the drugs that could have easily impaired her driving.
And then up next is Linda Barreto.
Albuquerque school bus driver Linda Barreto is in jail after a road rage incident yesterday as she dropped off students from Armijo Elementary School. It's unclear how many students were on the bus at the time, but APS says 59 are eligible to ride it from the school.
Yeah, I don't want my kids, any of my kids going on the school bus.
And what can the parents say? You know, you trust the school, you trust the people they hire, and to hear that, it's terrible.
The district sent this letter home to parents today saying Barreto will no longer be allowed to drive a bus for APS.
Well, I'm glad the parents were notified. I still don't think it's acceptable.
Barreto had only made one stop before the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Department got several calls about a school bus driving recklessly near Bridge and La Vega Southwest. A deputy found 51-year-old Barreto about a mile away in the South Valley just before 3 p.m. She showed clear signs of impairment, glossy eyes, slurred speech, and slowed movements, according to a criminal complaint. When asked if she had anything to drink, Barreto said she had Sudafed the night before. On the bus, deputies found hydrocodone pills they say Barreto didn't have a prescription for. They arrested her for that and child abuse. Barreto's husband showed up in court today.
They're saying that she had prescriptions. I don't know if she's...
Now, I want to suggest something to you. Anything you say could be used as evidence against your wife.
He asked the judge to lower Barreto's bond, saying she's the breadwinner of the family. The judge reduced it to $5,000 cash or surety and set conditions of release.
You are not to return to work until further notice. You're not to drive a school bus.
BCSD says Barreto failed field sobriety tests, but a breath test put her below the legal limit. They're now waiting on results from a blood draw to see if she was high on drugs. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Lizzie. Now, APS says all the students on the bus were dropped off unharmed before BCSD stopped Barreto and arrested her.